Okay guys, the fans are just switched on. We have, well, it's 96%, so the battery's fully charged today. I'd like to thank GES Energy and the guys from Solar and Battery Group for helping me out with this. I've actually paid for it myself, but it's a replacement for my DIY stuff. Yes, and it's done all properly. So what do we got? We've got these DEYE batteries. Each one is 5.12 kilowatts. So we've got 10 on. Okay, so what I didn't realise is we have got the 5 batteries on each side, so that's about 25 kilowatts on each side. Plus we also have the communication hub which goes on top. There's no cables connecting these, if you notice. Like DIYers have cables everywhere. This one's only got a communication cable and another communication cable, and on the other side we've got 2 battery cables which connect up together. This unit here is a hybrid inverter. It works with your standard inverter, which is over there. Okay, so we're working on a hybrid inverter. It's got a dongle at the bottom which you need to program into your network, which we're going to do soon, and you can touch screen it. So everything is touch screen on the unit. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through it right after Christmas time. I'm going to be away for a couple of days, but this is just a quick intro to the unit. So what do I say? Is it like day or night? No, it works day and night. So day provided the equipment. And so if you're not subscribed, subscribe and stay with me, because this unit will save you a lot of money. With the hybrid inverter, I haven't been using any power from the grid. At the moment, the grid is actually using 0.02. And for the whole day, I've used 0.5 kilowatts, which I've bought in. 0.5, that's a lot of power. I'd say that would be an overnight. So that is quite good. It is a hot day, and yeah, so stay with me, let's talk about this system, and thank you for joining me.